In this video, we'll take a look on how to change the battery inside of your Mazda key fob, just like this one. So it's extremely easy. You just turn it on this side and you'll notice there is a quite large gap here. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or a knife where you need to jam it just like so. Once you're inside, just turn it and the casing will pry open this way, revealing the battery that is here. It's a CR2032 3 volts battery. To take it out, you just need to push it and it comes right off. Now to put it back, don't forget, put the positive side, the side with a plus, facing up. Push it right inside, and all you need to do is to clip the casing back. There we go. That's all. Thanks for watching, and please give us a like and subscribe to the channel if this video was useful.